Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyla and this is boom, LC Trades. You already know. So this first video that I'm going to be shooting, because I have to give you guys a two-part video because I owe you guys an update video and now I owe you guys a weekly analysis video. So right after I post this, I'm going to post the weekly analysis video. So with that being said, make sure you watch both. And this is going to be the update video. So I'm going to give you an update on all the trades that I took last week and an update on the $100 challenge. So without further ado, let's just hop into the video. All right, guys. So if you have watched my updated recap weekly analysis video, which I will put somewhere in this video, you will know that I was looking at these. How many pairs is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 pairs. Okay. So I had called out everything that I said I was going to do. Now let's go over if it did it and what I got into. So first pair is going to be GBPAUD. I called this on my Instagram, and I explained it in the updated weekly recap video about why I got in. I'll do a brief analysis on why I got in again, but basically this was just ICC for me. You have the indication, correction, continuation candle was right here. I got in right here, put my stop loss above here, and my take profit was down there. So what I did say to you guys was if it pulls back, you guys could get in. But it just been doing a bunch of consolidating. It never like went back to this TP again. So I never got in again. I wasn't really interested in it. Oh, let me get my tool. Okay. Yes, indication, correction. This candle right here, I got in. So yeah, it was just doing a bunch of consolidating. We did win the trade. But yeah, that's GA. Watch the recap of the weekly analysis so I could really break it down. Next pair is going to be gold. Gold was not ready yet. So I had anticipated gold to go up to 5,028. But gold did what I wanted it to do. It made the, let me move this out the way for now. It made the indication, made the correction. This was a continuation candle. Gold is still valid. Like this is still a valid thing. It's still very valid because even if you got in here, yes, you're being a little drawdown, but it's like this is where you're supposed to put your stop loss. You get what I mean? Like right below the previous higher low, and give it a little breathing room. You feel me? So there's a the risk reward is a 1 or 2, and that's good. That's what we want to I definitely no, I said that wrong. Right, 1 or 2, but it's still, like I said, it's still pending. I personally didn't get in because I didn't want to hold it over the weekend. But I'm probably going to get in, maybe even later today I might get into this. But I'll call it on my Instagram if I do. But yeah, that's gold. I still have high hopes that it's going to go up here. But you know, gold is weird. Like gold is really one of those pairs. It does what it wants to do. But like I said, this was the better area to get in, right? However, let me go down to the 1 hour. However, so first we had this indication right here, right? We had this indication over here. We had this huge correction, and this was the continuation candle. I didn't get into this because this was too, I don't know. It just didn't, it was too much for me. Like this is what traders, like I feel like young traders chase. Like they see it's going up. They get in here, and what does gold do, or what does any trade do when you're chasing, once it's going high and you're chasing it, it's going to drop. So I told myself I was going to wait, and what did it do? It dropped. It's never been that high again. But I'm going to, let me see what I'm going to do actually. We'll do it here. We'll do it live right here. I can see what I want to do. I mean, what I can do is I can put this up here now. Make this the swing high, swing low is down here. Then we would need an indication, correction, continuation. But honestly, I still have, it was here. I still have faith in this. So I might get in. But yeah, that's gold. I'll let you guys know if I do get in. But so far, last week, honestly, the only pair that I got into was GBPAUD. I'm going to show you guys how the $100 challenge is going now. But we'll get to that a little later. Let's go to GBPUSD. So GU, I literally told you guys that it was going to at least get to this level, but it actually got to this level right here. It actually got to this level right here. So with that being said, I mean, it did hit what I said it was going to hit, but it just took it to the moon. I didn't get into this trade, so that's why I didn't tell you guys about it. But if you did want to get in, I said it was at least going to go to this level, which it did. It did. I was very proud. This was the indication right here. This is the correction, and this was a continuation candle right there. So with that being said, let me see. Yeah, with that being said, that's GU. Okay, if you got into GU and you won last week, congrats. I'm proud of you. CADJPY, my favorite, did absolutely not what I wanted it to do. It did, but it would have hit stop loss if I did get in. I did not get into this trade. First of all, I had said that we got, what were we looking for here? Oh, okay, we got our indication, we got this minor correction, and I was like, this candle right here would be the entry for it to go up. But me personally, I did not get in because I was focused on gold more than CADJPY. But good thing that we did not get in. I hope you guys did not get in. But good thing, because it would have took us out, hit our stop loss. It went all the way back down to the original buyer's box and went all the way back up. So in reality, it kind of did what we wanted it to do in a way. Like, I mean, if you look at it on the 4-hour, this is the indication right here. This is the huge correction in which you don't know what in the world is going on. And this is technically considered the continuation candle, this one right here. So, yeah. And if you got in right here, your stop loss will have to be a little bit below this. But that'd be a 1-to-1, not a 1-to-2. Yeah, because this is where your take profit should be. Long story short, CADJPY is loading. This is not applicable anymore. We did not get into that. Let's move these notes out the way. They're not updated. Next pair, USDCAD, my favorite. So I did get into this trade temporarily when I saw that this can this move? When I saw that this candle right here was made, I did get into this trade temporarily. But once I saw how it closed, I literally just closed the trade. So I closed it at break even. I think I lost like maybe $5 or something like that. But I just didn't like how this candle closed. And what solidified it was this doji candle right here. So a doji is an indecision candle. The market doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. So on the 4-hour, I saw that. And it was like Thursday morning. So I was like, if this trade is going to move, it's either going to move now or it's going to move Friday between New York and London session. And it did nothing of such thing. But I still have very high hopes for USDCAD. Actually, to me right now, what it's doing is it's making the indication. It's giving us that correction. So when we get that next candle, should be the continuation candle, which should be about right here. We're going to hop in. But again, I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram. That's why you should follow my Instagram. I keep you guys updated on there on what I get in, when I get in, stop losses, and take profits. So we're going to keep USDCAD in the arsenal. That's definitely going to be what we're looking at for next week. But now let's get into the update about the $100 challenge. So as I told you guys previously, I use Henko Trade as my broker. And right now the $100 challenge is at 371. So let me show you guys. All right, this you see this 1079, that I didn't lose $5. I lost $10.79 on USDCAD. I got in with a 0.2 lot. I closed it right away because it just didn't look right to me. Is it going to show my, let me see if I could see my other history on this. Okay, profitability. It's not gonna show it. Well, how do I get back to the main? Okay. Close positions completed. Let me see if it loads. Sorry, guys. USDCAD. Gold? Did I get into gold? I didn't get into gold. Sweet. Where's GA? Oh, this is GA right here. Why does it say rejected? Whatever. I'll explain it. I went from, what was it last week? I had like 278, I think I had last week. We're at 371 because I got in with a 0.1 on GA and I took it down to take profit. I made $105 off of that. Obviously this doesn't want to show the greatness of what's happening. It wants you guys to think I'm a liar. Let's see if we hit 1 month, what happened. Okay. All right, whatever. So yeah, that's the update. This is what the account is at, $371.51. And yeah, we're gonna keep growing it. Told you, if you guys want to do the $100 challenge, just on my Instagram, I literally put everything that I do in there. And it's reasonable. Like, that's why I'm doing a $100 challenge, because it's reasonable for you. It allows you to get in with a smaller amount of money so we could grow it together. But yeah, this is my update. Literally only got into GA and USDCAD. USDCAD got out at break even. GA hit take profit. So yes, that is the update. Let's hop into the outro. Alrighty, guys. So those are my updates of what I got into this week, GA and USDCAD. Unfortunately, Hanko Trade doesn't want to show the greatness of me hitting take profit, so I could show you guys. But as you can see, that is how the $100 challenge is going. Remember, I keep reiterating it because if you guys want to make money, or if you guys want to follow the $100 challenge, you have to follow my Instagram. That's literally where I post every single thing on my story. I post all of it, everything. I hide nothing, okay? So with that being said, please make sure you like the video. Please make sure you comment on the video, and make sure you smash that subscribe button, okay? It's always a blessing talking to you guys. Have a good rest of your day. And guess what? It takes 2 seconds to do all those 3 things I just said. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? So if you don't mind, do those 3 for me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.